How to get cashback from EBT card. SNAP benefits, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, can only be used for purchasing eligible food items and cannot be used for cashback. If your EBT card is linked to cash benefits, you can withdraw cash or get cashback. Insert your EBT card into an ATM that accepts it and enter your PIN. Select checking or savings, depending on your setup. Withdraw the desired amount within your balance and daily limit. Use your EBT card at a retailer that allows cashback with cash assistance transactions. Purchase a small item and select debit at checkout. Request for cashback. Retailers may impose a maximum cashback limit, example $40 to $100. Check if the retailer or ATM charges fees for using your EBT card. Look for surcharge-free ATMs or stores that do not charge for cashback. If you're unsure whether your EBT card includes cash assistance, contact your state's EBT customer service. Thanks for watching.